So I'm using the linseed, flaxseed oil in my hair gel. You can see I have nothing else. I washed my hair and I had it in some cornrows, and I am taking them out one by one and I'm applying the flaxseed in it. Now I'm going to add the flaxseed to the pot, and I'm going to add the water. All of the measurements would be in the description below. And I'm going to let this come to a boil, and you want it to boil till it's thicken up like you're seeing on your screen right now. But you're not going to remove the heat until it starts to more or less pull away from the spoon. So at this point it's almost there, but it's not where I want it to be yet. So at this point, we're a little closer, we're getting there. I want the gel to be really thick and nice. Now if you don't, you can take it out at this point. It is safe to take it out at this point, but this is how I prefer it to be, this thick. And you see how it is coming off the spoon, how thick it is. That's how I want it in my hair. So when it's dry, it's going to have the consistency of what a styling gel would be like. How will have a hair really crispy and nice. I'm a crispy. That sounds so stupid, but you know what I mean. That nice, hardish, stiff, giving you a good firm feel. This sounds so wrong, but ladies and gentlemen, you know what I mean. So I am going to separate some because I really actually, this is flaxseed. Flaxseed is good for you, and I use it on a regular to make smoothies. So of course I'm not going to boil all this flaxseed and just use it for my hair. No, I'm going to use some for a smoothie. So I'm separating 2 cups from the amount that I made so that I could put aside to make my smoothies. So I'm gonna put that in the refrigerator when it is cool, because it's still hot. And this is the best time to strain it when it is hot. You don't want to do it when it's cold because you will have a really hard time separating it. So now I am adding my essential oil. I am using 2 tablespoons of peppermint. You can use any type of essential oil of your choosing, or you can just omit it completely, but you want to give it a nice smell, you know. And then I'm going to put it in the container that I'm going to keep it in. It is still hot at this point because I have found transferring it when it is totally cool is just messy, and it's just no. So I prefer to do it when it is at this temperature. So I'm using the linseed, flaxseed oil in my hair gel. You can see I have nothing else. I washed my hair and I had it in some cornrows, and I am taking them out one by one and I'm applying the flaxseed in it. I'm all done applying it. I even got it to slick down because here somewhere like dry. So you will see that how good this works. You could add any type of essential oil of your choosing. I add peppermint. The next time I make it, I have a lot of other essential oils. I'm going to try with it and see if, but I know I like the peppermint smell, so that's why I try peppermint. So I'm just going to leave this to air dry. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is my hair after using my homemade flaxseed hair gel. Thanks for watching. So I'm all done. You can see it slicks down really well. It stays in place. And as I was telling a friend just before making this video, I was just letting her hear how nice and crunchy my hair sound, and she was like, okay, so we have a ASMR flaxseed video. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to check out all the other demos that I have on my channel. And thanks for watching this awesome homemade gel recipe.